Sunto. Now Sunto 90th anniversary. So we do unboxing. This is the, what do you call that one? Anniversary edition. Still sealed. Who's the one I'm chatting with just now? Wow. Oh. Sheesh. So yeah, Sunto. So inside, oh, you got a compass. Oh, nice. Compass. And you got, what is this?
Medal.
It's a compass, I think. It's also from some sort. So 90th limited edition True North Adventure start here. So this is the first innovation adventure. So what is this? Great. And then yeah, this is the important one. One. Ooh. Sunto Vertical 2. Yes, sir. Later wrongly open then drop. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's the, how's the size up? If you compare to Garmin, it's the same size, right? The Phoenix 8.
Slightly bigger than 47. This
This
one is 49.
Oh, 49, so it's bigger.
Smaller than the
Wow.
50. Right here, yeah.
Our new friends helping us
Mhm.
and teaching us how to put it, the strap.
Okay.
Oh, wow, yes. Very nice.
So nice.
Now, first, turning on.
Press and hold 5 seconds.
Oh, it's not on. Why like that? Oh, oh, make mine. Wow, Sunto.
So nice. See the limited edition.
The first one I had limited edition is the Sunto Core Everest edition. That one is 2013, 2014. Yeah. Okay.
See all different language.
Yeah. Help me to put the English. Oh, wow. Define open. Okay. 17. Oh, you can see my age.
Everybody can see. Matrix. Matrix will be kilometer
Oh, okay.
and kg. 24 hour?
24 hour.
Your weight
My weight now is, wow. Lucky I
came down a bit.
came down. Yeah.
Height.
Height is 176.
Okay. Can connect to your phone app.
Okay, so I need to download it. Okay. Yon mga tol, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung charger niya. Kanina hindi ko na pakita sa inyo kung ano lang yung laman ng kahon, yun lang yung nakuha natin. So ayun, first daw, sabi nung seller, first daw akong naka-acquired nitong Sunto Limited Edition 90 years. Ayan o. So, Sunto Vertical 2. Ayan. Last na nagkaroon ako ng limited edition na Sunto is 2012-2013. Yung Sunto Core Everest Edition. Ayan. So, ito yung laman niya. Ito yung manual. manual. Ito yung charger niya. Thanks nga pala dun sa nanay namin, kay Love, sa pagbigay sa akin ng ano, go signal. Yes. So ito yung ano, charger niya. Ayan. Ayos. Ito na yung ano, relo mismo. Ayan. Okay. Ayos to. Sunto Vertical 2. Pakita ko lang sa inyo mga tol. Sunto Xlander Military. 2014 ko pa siya nabili. So 12 years na. Ayan, made in Finland. Ayan, kung nababasa pa. Ayan. So napaka durable. So ito yung pangalawang sunto ko. Ang una is yung Everest Edition, limited din siya. Tapos ito na nga yung pangatlo na isi-share ko sa inyo, ang Sunto Vertical 2. Thanks God, thanks love. Yan, nagkaroon ulit tayo ng magandang pang-outdoor na relo. Stig.